YouTube videos are effectively the same as lecture when it comes to studying for nursing school. The main difference is you just have a wider variety of instructors you can choose from. So it's easier to find somebody that matches your learning style or who is a little more engaging in the way that they teach. But you can still find yourself binge watching a lot of nursing related YouTube videos and still failing your exams. That's because if you're simply binge watching these videos and expecting it to seep into your brain via osmosis, you're using a very passive learning strategy, and that kind of approach is not going to be effective, especially if you're trying to retain this information for the long term. Luckily, though, there's a way you can make YouTube videos a more active learning strategy so they're more beneficial to you, and you can be more efficient with your study time too. It's kind of a cross between my advice on how you approach lecture and how you approach reading your textbook. Basically, you're better off approaching YouTube videos like a search and destroy mission. Just like I recommend when reading the textbook, you need to have a question in your head that you're trying to answer before you start searching YouTube. And to make the most of it, you also have to have some background. That's one of my recommendations for how to approach lecture, is that you do a little bit of pre-studying to get a lay of the land so you have that bird's eye view, the overview of a general topic. So when you jump in and start watching a YouTube video about it, you're watching somebody teach about it, you can follow along with all of the basics while you're looking for the answer to whatever specific question you hopped on YouTube to ask. This will also prevent you from going down the YouTube rabbit hole. And it will also help prevent you from that overwhelming feeling that can come when you realize how much out there is to know, because you don't have to know it all as a safe, effective beginning nurse. But it can feel like it when you're on YouTube. Follow for more nursing school study tips to make sure that you're studying using active learning strategies and not passive learning strategies.